What is going on, guys? Back with a new video. In today's video we'll be taking a closer look at the OtterBox Defender Series case for the M5 13-inch iPad Pro, so stick around. Welcome back, and let's get right into it. So first off, you can see we get a nice presentation from OtterBox. It does say OtterBox Defender on the top. On the back it does give you a little bit of specifications that I will go over here in the video. So in my opinion, a pretty nice presentation. Again, we get the three colors that OtterBox is known for, which is the white, black, and yellow. So let's go ahead and pop open the top with our trusty knife. Go ahead and slice open the two plastic portions, closing the lid. Now once we take the case out, you can see that we do have instructions on how to install the case on the back interior portion of the box. However, I will be making a dedicated video showing you exactly how to install your M5 13-inch iPad Pro into this OtterBox Defender Series case. A lot of people ask me who I recommend this case for. I think this case is for anyone who's looking for maximum protection, and also for someone who takes their iPad on the go a lot. Now this case offers multi-layer protection. It does have a built-in screen protector. It also has port covers to block dust and dirt. It does have a really nice streamlined rugged design. As you can see, it does say OtterBox at the bottom. We have a really nice grip on the sides as well. The case also comes with a 4-position stand. One that's easy for typing, one for media, one for portrait, and one for streaming. The case offers Apple Pencil storage, so a place to store your Apple Pencil is extremely important in my opinion when it comes to an iPad Pro case. We also get 2 lanyard attach points. Now, this case is compatible with the 13-inch M4 and M5 iPad Pro. The case weighs 629 grams. Now one question that I had about this case is, since it has a built-in screen protector, is it going to work good and have good compatibility with the nano texture display? And I will let you guys know that in the full review. This is just an unboxing video. Now when I picked up this OtterBox Defender Series case, I also picked up the Apple Magic Keyboard, so we'll be doing a video on that as well. I also got the Apple Pencil Pro. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification to be notified of future content. Make sure you keep an eye out for the extensive full review of this OtterBox Defender Series case for the 13-inch M5 iPad Pro. Now again, this case does add bulk. However, if you're looking for maximum protection, this is the case for you. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be located down in the video description. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you guys for watching. My name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.